Hello, your boy. This is your boy Miguel from the Mechanic 757. Now I get down, I get straight to the point. I'm with a wonderful repeat customer, and I was articulating that she's going to be needing a battery very soon. She had a lot of green boogers on her battery, which I've already cleaned most of it up. And you just put Vaseline on here, and you'll never see that again. But one of the things it tells me is a telltale sign. I'm also a computer technician, so, or like a parent, I'm a parent too. I see what the car is saying, just like a child or a computer, what the story of the vehicle is saying. The green boogers tells me that this battery, also this battery is 2022, this battery is almost at the end of its life. You do not do this at home, but I'm going to show you a secret. This battery is a maintenance battery, but there is absolutely no one on earth is going to open this up and do any maintenance, especially ordinary people. I do not recommend you do this, but I'm just going to show you. It has 6 cells in it, just like a laptop has 6 cells in it. You pop the top off. You're supposed to have acid about right where my knife is at, 1/4 up to the top. The acid in this is way down there. You can see that, man, for yourself. You look way down inside there, and you just gotta look almost into the abyss. So a lot of people are gonna say, oh, well, you can just put it on a charger. Well, most people are not gonna walk around with a charger, and they don't have time for any of that crap. That's a short-term thing. If this battery does not have the correct amount of acid and distilled water put inside of it mixed correctly, that's just a short-term thing, and no one's gonna walk around with that stuff, and no one wants to, I wouldn't recommend anybody mess with this anyway because it has acid in it. The proper thing to do is go ahead and get another battery. A lot of people don't know why batteries don't last long. This battery should be 5 to 6 years back in before COVID. Now what they are doing is they're putting more water, just like detergent, they put more water than the detergent itself and then turn around and sell it to you. That's the reason why your batteries do not last long. I don't care if it's Duracell, I don't care if it's Amazon, AutoZone, I don't care where you get the battery from. The AMG batteries are the worst. They used to use those for putting in stereos. They're the worst. Since COVID, there is a thing called quality control that doesn't really exist anymore. So with that being said, by the time it's October 2024, by the time she hits wintertime, this car is not going to want to start very much anymore because just like your cellular phone and your battery and your ring and everything else, your batteries work harder when it gets cold. That's why it says cold cranking amps. And this battery is almost at the end of its life. And also these newer cars, if it doesn't have a fully functional battery with full the amps and everything, the car is going to run crazy and going to do weird things. It needs full power. And these modern cars have all these computers and all these gadgets and all this other stuff. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found any value in this video, hit the super thanks button. And if you want to see these videos, hit the join button and you can see them 3 to 5 days earlier. Thank you.